Hey guys, NASCAR Racing Game 18 here. We have two Disney Pixar cars from the Next Generation series. We have Harvey Roadcap and Noah Gosek. We are going to do Harvey Roadcap, who is the number 15 Easy Idol Next Gen Racer. On the back, you can get more Next Gens like Ryan Inside Laney, Conrad Camber, Bumpers, which is Paul Conrav and Cruz Ramirez. Let's get Harvey out of the box. Here is the car. Let's take a look at Harvey Roadcap. He has the classic Easy Idol, the blue lines. His number is 15. Easy Idol was 51, but because in the movie, Cruz Ramirez got switched to the number 51, so they had to change it to the number 15. The 15's there. Easy Idol. Also, for new color, originally Easy Idol, I have Ruby Oaks, who was the original one. It's mainly just blue and white, but now they added a little black to it. Also, the Easy Idol logo is a little different. It says Easy Idol. Also, you can see Harvey Roadcap early in the film because he is one of the few Next Generation racers to be at the next race after Jackson Storm got introduced. There's the blue line down there. Black goes down, some white. Here's the rookie stripes. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.